because I'm about to do two videos on mathematics concepts that are going to be a little bit hard to wrap your head around. But I promise you, if we get through these videos, it's going to be a really insightful breakthrough, I think. This concept is a little crazy, but I think all of you can figure it out pretty quickly. Some of you already know this. It's this concept that in reality, the way that physics works, the way mathematics work, the way that space and time work, there's truly no such thing as a straight line. And the idea here is that lines are only straight when they're in a short segment. As soon as the line gets longer and longer and longer and longer and longer, once it gets long enough, it eventually starts to curve. And this idea is an important concept for space travel. It's an important concept for calculus. It's an important concept for lots of different advanced mathematics, is this idea that lines on the long term, they curve. Most of us don't learn that. At an early stage, when we learn like geometry or math in like school, we learn about straight lines, we learn about circles, we learn about shapes. But this is a really important concept, is that you try to imagine that as every line goes on into infinity and into the future, eventually it starts to curve. And now the theoretical leap that I make is that as the line moves into infinity, it actually returns and turns into a circle. And so that's a really strange concept to wrap your head around. But if you look at if you see a line, you're actually just seeing a segment of a circle. And if you see a circle, you're seeing an infinite line, a line that has reached its completion and it's actually touching the other end. And so try to hold on to that idea. This idea of the difference between a line and a circle. A line is that it's just a small segment of a circle, and a circle is a complete segment of a line. And hopefully that idea kind of resonates when you look at, like here on the screen, if you look at sort of an infinity signal or an infinity symbol, it's continuous and it kind of circles, or it actually looks like a circle that's been kind of folded and spun around a little bit. And so that is just a weird concept. Try to get your mind to accept that that is a reality. As lines get longer and longer, they turn into circles. As circles get cut down into segments, they turn back into lines. And that's the whole point of this video. So congratulations, you made it through it.